Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Keith, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually withdraw PayPal funds directly to your mobile money in Zambia. Wait, but not really directly, but actually, there's a way you can actually get to withdraw your PayPal funds into mobile money. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out anything. So, what is this method? So this is a method that I tried out last December, I think. Yeah. So here is how it works. So how does this method work? Of course, for this method to work, you really need a PayPal account. Okay, you need a PayPal account that can both send and receive. Okay. So when you create a Zambian PayPal account, you'll be able to make payments, but you will not be able to receive payments. But if you need like a PayPal account that is able to both send and receive, okay, well then I'm the perfect guy to go to. Like all you need to do is simply contact me, and I do create PayPal accounts at a fee of 200 kwacha. So I deleted my WhatsApp, so don't inbox me on WhatsApp. I think I won't be able to reply you from there. So instead I joined Signal, so you can contact me on Signal or on Telegram. My username is Keith ZM, okay, or you can simply SMS me. Okay, don't call, simply SMS me to this number, and I'll be able to create a PayPal account for you that can both send and receive. Okay, so not now, let us say you now have got a PayPal account that can both send and receive, and you've finally received the first money in your PayPal account. How can you withdraw it to mobile money? So this is where now this method comes in. So this method comes in, okay, it has got more than 3 steps. So step 1, what you need to do is create an account on Paxful. Okay, so what is Paxful? Paxful is a P2P crypto exchange. This is where you can buy crypto or sell crypto with anyone from wherever. Okay, when you create an account with Paxful, okay, try verifying your identity to make things smooth and to remove all limitations. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is that when you receive crypto on your PayPal account, you're going to be going on Paxful. Okay, then you buy any crypto on Paxful. When you buy any crypto with Paxful with PayPal, okay, you again sell the crypto. Okay, when you sell the crypto, okay, there's an option whereby you can actually get paid using mobile money on Paxful, and this is how this method works. It's very much simple. Okay, so in case you're not believing, let me just show you. So this is Paxful, and these are my past trades. So for example, on 29th December, I bought USDT for $37 using PayPal. Okay, here I sold the USDT on December 20 using Airtel Money. Here I sold the USDT with Airtel Money. I sold the USDT using Airtel Money. Even here Airtel Money I sold. Here I bought USDT with PayPal. Here I bought USDT with PayPal. So as you can see, like when I buy USDT with PayPal, I'm going to receive USDT. Then I'm going to sell the USDT, and I'm going to get paid via mobile money. Okay, so how do you do this? So simply click on the buy. Then you can choose either Bitcoin or Tether. So let's click on Tether, let's say. Then now when you click on Tether, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a payment method. How would you like to pay? This is when I choose PayPal. You'd like to pay using PayPal. Okay, so then you click on find offers. So you're going to see a list of people who are accepting PayPal to exchange crypto with, and they're going to have their own rates. So as you can see, you can actually buy with PayPal. Okay, then if you'd like to withdraw, the procedure is similar. You simply choose Airtel Money or MTN. Then people will be able to pay using Airtel Money. So to summarize or to conclude, okay, this way, yeah, it really works, and it's possible that you can actually withdraw the money within an hour. So that's a good part about this, because you don't have to wait for days. Everything can be done within an hour, but it comes with the disadvantages. Okay, Paxful has a lot of fees. Okay, and since people don't really like using paper for cryptocurrencies, so people usually put a higher fee when it comes to buying crypto with paper. So let us say if you direct to withdraw $60 of paper funds and then you buy crypto, you're going to end up receiving like S40 or something because of just fees alone. So yeah, so I think give it a try. It's going to work no matter what. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. This is Keith Rains.